Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're trying to run the Windows Fax and Scan utility and it says that no scanners were detected. If a scanner is installed, make sure that it is powered on and connected to the computer and then try again. For information about adding or troubleshooting scanners, see help and support. So first thing I actually would recommend doing, make sure your printer is turned on. That is something that I noticed happens quite frequently, at least in my case, that I forget that I didn't turn my printer slash scanner on. Make sure it's turned on, okay guys? So that's number one, just to make sure you check that. Even though it says the error, sometimes people don't actually read the message, you know what I'm saying? So it's just kind of one of those situations. But if for some reason you're still having a problem, make sure the cables are plugged in correctly if it's a wired connection. And if you're still having a problem, another thing you try here would be to open up the start menu, type in Windows Features. Best result, should come back with turn Windows Features on or off. Go ahead and open that up. You want to go down to where it says Print and Document Services and click the little plus underneath of that. So you may see something here that says Scan Management or Windows Fax and Scan. Make sure that's turned on. I don't see one in my case here, but again, it would be underneath Print and Document Services. You would expand that. And then if there's something that says Windows Fax and Scan, I'm going to make sure you turn that on. And then hopefully at that point you would be good to go. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.